We come to the places like this, which is not only the monument of beauty, but that is the monument of philosophy of India, the philosophy of wellness, the philosophy of inner evolution. We find that such an intricate work of attention being given to the entire holistic approach of life, that this chakra becomes the center of it. And this chakra is representing the time. And it is in such a manner that the entire chakra becomes an important feature in this entire temple of Konark, which is called as Sun Temple. And this chakra represents the time, the flotation of time, the movement of time. While there are systematically drawn 8 different spokes in this chakra, which further divide itself into 24 aspects of time, the yoga brings us to a point where we should contemplate how is our definition of time evolving us. What is our interaction with the time evolving us? Are we flowing with the time? Are we moving with the time towards an evolution, or we are moving with the time randomly towards a degraded life? These chakra are a reminding factor that how you should best utilize your 24 hours a day in a best possible manner to get in sync, in harmony with the universe. This concept of creating a harmony with the universe, associating yourself with time, is decoded in the form of 2 concepts in Indian philosophy, in Indian way of life. One is called as Dinacharya, your daily routine, and second is called as Ritucharya, the seasonal routines. It is time now that the last year had given us a implication and a hint that somewhere our lifestyle is going wrong, and we have to correct it right at this moment of time. Let us create a complete respect of our individual time and a global phenomenon of time by systematizing our life right from the beginning when we are waking up, right till the end when we are going to sleep, and that entire day becomes so purposeful that it becomes a monumental chakra. Every day becomes a monumental chakra to us, with a specific fulfillment of all the desires and all the ambitions of that particular day in our life. And that day be a continuity of our inner evolution when we routinely do our work. So let us prioritize our day in a very specific manner, and let this chakra of time be a memory, be a reminder to us. At Yogacar, we are trying to develop this awareness that not only the physical health and fitness is the priority of the time, but it is a complete holistic approach of life which respects the time, which is the requirement of the day-to-day, and that phenomena is called as wellness. Let this year be full of wellness. Namaste.